Welcome back, guys, to another Brothers Wild adventure. This is, that is, and of course this is. And today we're on top of Hope Mountain near Wrexham in Flintshire. And we thought we're going to have a nice chill one. We want to see a sunset and a sunrise. Touch it, Rich. You got it. Back in with the old Bobcat again today. I don't know, pretty windy. I wish I had the old Fox now, like. I'm gonna catch some drift here, but yeah. Got the thermals, let's get it up. Woo! Bit of a struggle with the wind, but we got it up. Quick, Rich, quick! Getting there, guys. It's certainly fresher up here, but it's lovely. So I'm just going to unpack now. And I suppose I think it's time for the beer after we set up, right?
I was just opening mine.
Gotta have one at least, and then yeah, watch this sun go down tonight, which is going to be phenomenal. Can't wait. Tell you what, this tent's brilliant in the wind. Setting it up wasn't so easy, but now it's up, it's solid, and the wind's literally facing it at the moment.
I said that's just a stupid setup. What's that, like 5-star Michelin?
It's not super shabby, is it?
Anyway, I'm going to do a review on the Bobcat.
Get out, bro.
See you in a bit.
Get out, me tits!
Oh, it's good in here.
Cozy, innit?
Oh yeah, let's do a little beer review. What we got here?
What you got there? Punk IPA.
Nothing special, but it's... Oh, what's this?
I got the Elvis juice. Let me give that a go.
This time we've come stocked up on the beers. We've all got a... Has he got a bottle of whiskey?
Yeah.
We've all got a bottle of whiskey each and beers each, because last time we were sharing. And yeah, it didn't last long, did it?
Yeah.
So no fire to look after tonight. So we're just gonna
chill. Watch the sun go down.
Yeah. Cook some food. What's on the menu?
Got some pasta and sauce with some cheese.
Yep.
And meatballs.
I got the same as well. Some snacks.
Oh, aye.
Dog walk. Yeah, come in there.
You can indeed.
Oh, it's too pretty cold out here. Oh, it's better.
We've got the Brewdog Elvis Juice. This one is 6.5% grapefruit infused IPA. Oh! Oh, you can taste the grapefruit in that. Nice.
Oh. That's 5.4 this one. It's nice though.
I've had that before, it's really good. Cheers.
Walker. Is it the same lady? Same one.
Yeah. Lovely she was.
Yeah. We're literally on the public path.
Well, it's not a public path, it's the moor path. It's a, what do you call it? It's not an actual path, is it? What's it called? It's just it's like being in the moors but on the mountain. So there's loads of little dog walking paths, should I say. But yeah, we said this is the best spot, and it is just off the path, but what can you do? Especially when you got this view in front of you. But we've never encountered a nasty person, have we?
No.
Anyone who's ever stopped.
Did you think we had that weird one?
Oh, that guy. Yeah, but yeah.
It wasn't that
he was
nasty.
off his trolley. Yeah. Oh, right, just gonna enjoy this view of it. Dog walker, dog walker. There's a beautiful sun, and there's a beautiful moon, look. I tell you what, some of my favourite camps, believe it or not, are in a forest. Campfire. Okay, some people don't really like having campfires and that. Some people are very against it, but we are very safe with it. But I do like it. I think there's something primal about that. But you can't beat these views, can you? When you're on the mountaintops, you got that wind hitting your face, that fresh air, not a soul about, apart from the odd dog walker. The lady who was dog walking earlier came and actually spoke to us for about 5-10 minutes, asking about us, and told her about the YouTube channel and the hikes we've done in the past and the different camps, and she was all up for it. She goes, you know, good luck. She had 3 dogs, beautiful dogs as well, greyhounds. So yeah. Oh, look at that. Truly makes me happy, down to my soul, just being out in this. It's alright, innit? The odd spooky camp, the odd camp in the woods. This feeds the soul, feeds the soul, it does. Peace, quiet. Beautiful. What we got here, Rich? He's made some minor appearances on the videos, but here he is in all his glory. It's Chip, looking like Jesus Christ in the sun, blowing away. He's our little mascot. Oh, aye. But look at this camp. What do you reckon, boys? Yes? Oh. Good place to get drunk. There's me telling the people at home how angelic and how it's good for the soul, and you're like, whiskey! Yes! Right then guys, let's get some water on before the sun goes down, because I want to show you this sunset. Should be enough. Lock it in. Gas. Ignition. Back in with the OEX Hero again. I can hear you all now in the comments section, what's on the menu? Well, today, I picked up this today. It's Dolmio Pasta Pronto. Serves one with tomato and chilli. It's already cooked, it's soft. So I'm just going to open the packet at the top of the slight bit and then boil it in here. Then I'm going to throw in some meatballs. Obviously I have these every camp, they're just great as a snack, so I'm going to throw them in as a meal. And I bought myself some Cathedral City cheeses. And I'm just going to put a bit of that on top, and then that's going to make a really good meal. Got some snacks there as well, a bit of chocolate and stuff. What else did I get? Alright. I bought this tub, so obviously it's great for bringing out snacks like nuts or Bombay mix or anything if you trail mix. But it folds out into a little square bowl like that, so I'm going to use that as a bowl today. So yeah. I'm happy with that. £2. Bargain. I get chuffed about things like that now. So yeah. Oh, that's boiling already. Let's get the bag in. Oh, there's like a lot. Quite a lot actually. So, bit of mini cathedral city. Just gonna crumple that over the top here. Just throw it in. Hey, yeah. Hiya, doggies. Hello. Hello. Got meatballs. Fair play. Everyone's so friendly around here, aren't they? So there we go. There we have it, guys. We got the pasta, meatballs and cheese. I'm gonna chill out now, watch this sunrise and sunset, and eat this. Oh aye. Oh my god, that's so good. So, again, Lewis hasn't brought any trousers and shorts, so and then just over here, Rich is enjoying the sunset. Oh yeah. you comfy there, mate. Good night, mate. Oh. The only thing that's quite upsetting really is that the clouds are just coming over these mountains now, so we can't quite see the sun going down properly, but still a glorious view. You had enough of that, have you? Oh, aye. It's a bit cold, isn't it? It's a bit cold. So I thought I'd reply to a couple of comments. The first one is Mike C1. So what was it that scared you so much? So I think it was the not so solo camp. So obviously it was the sounds in the night, and obviously like a shadow by the tent. Could have been an animal, I don't know, but I got the heck out of there. That fungus on the side of the tree was always known as Jew's ear, but that's not PC now, so has a more acceptable name, but can't remember it. Quite enjoying your videos, but lay off the whiskey, go for tea instead. I could hear the whispering, so yeah. I'm always down for a bit of advice, and tea would be absolutely brilliant right now. Warm the cockles up, but obviously that's tea. That's tea. That's
looks like tea.
It looks like tea without the milk and sugar.
Yeah.
Hang on.
It tastes like tea.
Yeah. So we've all managed to fit into my tent just to watch the sun go down.
Clouds have had it off though.
Eh?
Clouds have had us off a bit.
Yeah, the clouds have come over, so it's a shame. But we got some pinks and blues and oranges. Yeah, it looks nice. A bit chilly now with that wind, isn't it? Yeah. Beautiful place. Some more tea. More tea. Look at these colours, pinks, blues. Oh, yeah. There's camp there. So, little walk. Oof. Oh, it's a bit chilly. It's a bit chilly. New head torch, guys. A bit brighter this one. Yeah. Look at that vanilla sky behind me. Oh, wow. Just walking to warm ourselves up a little bit here. Yeah. Stunning. That sun's just going down now, guys. I'm making myself a nice hot coffee. Oh, my camera! That wasn't meant to happen. Right, let's get you all settled there. There we go. Just a tipple of whiskey, Irish coffee or hot toddy, whatever you want to call it. Where's my lid? Cheers. Just watching the final moments of the sun going down, guys. Stunning. Cheers. Well, probably about 10 minutes until completely dark. This hot toddy is keeping me warm, I tell you. So yeah. I think it's time to turn off the camera now and just chill out for a bit. Oh! Woo! It's about 1 AM, guys, and the wind, honestly, it's so bad. It woke us all up. We're all just literally sitting. Honestly now, even Dorothy from Wizard of Oz had a good time. Well guys, good morning. Very windy one in the night. So I think we've missed sunrise because we've slept in slightly. It's only about 8 o'clock. Yeah, well, 10 to 8 in the morning. Yeah, it's so windy in the night, so windy. Very little sleep. Oh. wasn't awake, I am now, guys.
Bacon. Hey. Doesn't matter. It wasn't recorded. No, it doesn't matter. Oh, I said. I thought it wasn't. It took ages. Come on.
No, now it is.